right, we're back. The hands. All right, congratulations everybody that turned in on our first benchmark turn-in day.
You guys are awesome.
So awesome. We are doing so great. We're rocking and rolling. And now we're back to show you the next prize for the next turn-in date. Okay? Ta-da. All right. So the next turn-in day or benchmark day is on October 11th. Okay? So the 11th. And this prize is going to be super awesome. It's all things glowing. Ooh. Maybe if you're really good, you can get your teachers to turn off the lights, and so you guys can all glow, 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 glow. And these things, you could bring them back and wear them at our glow party. If you guys raise enough money in your class, Mrs. K is throwing you a glow party, okay? So these things you can all bring back for the glow party. Just keep getting those donations in. All right, here we glow. Get it? So, what's in this box? Ooh, ooh la la. Let's see. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, lots of things. Lots of things. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. What do we have here? So it looks like. Let's see. Looks like we got. Oh yeah, these are cool. These are those glow lights. And these are, we always make sure we give 2 of these because you want one on each hand. So if you pick one of these, you would get the 2 glowing lights. Let me turn off our light and let's see if we can see the glow a little bit more. So we're going to turn our light off. You can see that they light up, and they also have the same color as what color they are. So that one's a blue light. This is a green light.
And they strap to your fingers. You could wear them on every finger.
You can wear them on your fingers. There's a red one, and then there's a white light too. That looks pretty neato. Neato mosquito. Okay, so those are those. These are really cool. These are bracelets, and they actually have batteries in them, and the whole thing like lights up. And it's kind of hard to tell right now. Here, you know what? You keep going. I'll turn off the lights. Let's see if we can see it with the lights.
See what this looks like. They already look pretty cool. Whoa! You guys. So awesome.
Those are really, really fun. And those are neat lights, huh? So those are all the bracelets. And then these are some glasses. These are super fun. Awesome. These used to be my favorite when I was a kid. I think there's a little paper in the inside. Oh, there they go. So I don't think you can see my face unless I stick my face under the camera. Hello! But those are really cool. So those are the glasses. And then these are LED hair lights.
Like, you can put them in your hair, Mrs. K?
Yes, it has a clip on it. And then it goes through these different colors.
Oh my God.
And so it makes your hair all light up.
Look,
it's pretty neat.
Those.
Yeah, and I believe they change colors too if we leave them on long enough. I think they scroll through all the colors, but we'll see. We'll put it right there.
Yep.
Yeah, it should. I think they go through different colors. So those are all the lights for the hair. And I think I'm going to crack our light back on just a little bit, just so we can see what we're doing here. What is this one?
What?
This looks like a finger light too, maybe, but it looks like it's a little creature. I don't know. We might have to open these and see what they are.
Inside. This looks pretty cool.
Those look really
cool. It definitely goes on your finger. What is this the tail?
It looks like his tail. Ah!
That's so awesome.
Oh my goodness, look, it's like a peacock. That is so fun. How did you turn it on? Oh, there's a button right there. Look at those guys. La 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 la. Look at us.
So
we're playing with all
fun.
your guys' toys. We're playing with all your toys. Okay.
Okay, should we open the next
yeah,
box?
Yeah, let's open the next box. I'm going to put these in
Ooh.
here.
This box kind of shows you what I'm about to open. What does that say? Flashing jelly ring.
Flashing jelly rings.
Flashing jelly rings.
That sounds like
my
a great
goodness.
time. Flashing jelly rings.
What's your favorite color, Mrs. K?
Um,
Pink, green, or blue?
Let's see the blue one.
All right. There you go. And I'm going to open, ooh, a yellow.
Oh, these are fun. These are fun. So it's kind of like our squishies that we had for our last prize.
You guys. They're squishy.
They're squishy too, and they light up. Whoa! Look at this one has spikes on it. That one's really cool.
That's awesome.
Let's see. if
You
we
want to
can
turn the
put
light
them on.
off?
Yeah, let's turn the light off and check them out. Okay, hold on. Let's see.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, look at that one. It's spinning. That's so cool.
Oh yeah, look at the light inside there. Looks like it's like spinning in a circle. All right, you guys, that's it for us this time. We'll see you next time, and we'll come back a little bit before our next turn-in day to show you what the next prizes are. All right, you guys,